So we're out here at Fort Johnson and the ISB in Alexandria applying capabilities validated and created during Hunter-EMS, now in support of an active JRTC rotation, and in this case for 1st Brigade 10th Mountain. So we're on this specific iteration of Hunter-EMS 7 Delta, so it's the 4th iteration of the capabilities, in this case focusing on long-range communications, both digital and voice. That all of the capabilities that we've either created or validated here are just further exercised in ways that can lead to improvements of the organic equipment and capabilities that maneuver brigades and divisions possess. The next focus of Hunter-EMS is, okay, we have long-range communication capabilities, we have improvements on our sensing capabilities, sensing on the electromagnetic spectrum for targeting purposes, but being able to combine all that into one or as few systems as possible for, again, integration of information for, again, its use in the targeting process for either lethal or non-lethal capabilities.